How to turn off YouTube most replayed feature. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off the YouTube most replayed feature. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, you may have noticed on YouTube videos recently that there's now a most replayed feature. So if I show you how that works on this video, so if I just start scrolling through this video, you can see along the scroll line there's the ups and the downs. This shows you the most replayed parts of each video. Now, some people might not want to have this shown on their videos or have this shown when they're watching videos. So you may want to turn this off. Now, as of the time that I'm posting this video, there is no current way within the YouTube app to turn this feature off. So what you want to do is you want to go to your web browser such as Google Chrome and then do a search for YouTube APK in Google. And then these APK files will actually allow you to download older versions of YouTube that go back to versions where this most replayed feature wasn't included. So what you want to do is just go on one of these websites. Here it says download the latest, but you've just got to go and look and search for an older version. And once you've found the older version, you can actually download it, install it on your phone, and then the older version will no longer include the most replayed feature. I haven't actually tried this myself on my phone, so if you have, and if this has worked for you, if you can leave a comment in the comments box below, if you found one that's working, so we can share with everyone. And in the future, if YouTube allow you to turn this feature on and off, I'll make a further update video to show you how to do that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.